Have you been betrayed by someone that you thought you could trust? Betrayal cuts so deep, and the pain of betrayal can leave us questioning ourselves. It can leave us questioning the meaning of love, especially when it is a lover. It really shakes our ability to trust not just other people, but ourselves. And betrayal can feel isolating, overwhelming, and it's truly a difficult time to navigate. But healing is not only possible, it's within your reach. In this video, I'll share with you my 5-step process to begin your healing journey. And I'll guide you through a meditation to reconnect with your body and restore that trust in yourself. But before we dive into the meditation, let's briefly walk through the 5 steps to overcoming betrayal trauma. Step 1 is just to acknowledge the pain. Give yourself permission to truly feel. Betrayal leaves emotional imprints, and it can even have physical ramifications on the body. And ignoring it only deepens the wound. So admit the hurt. Say it out loud, write it down. Step 2 is to understand the true impact. Betrayal activates your nervous system, leaving you in that fight, flight, freeze, or fawn mode. And so recognizing how your body is responding is a big key to being able to calm it. And that's how we understand the impact. Step 3 is to begin to reclaim that trust in yourself. You know, oftentimes betrayal leads us to doubt our own instincts. So rebuilding trust in yourself is the foundation of all healing. Step number 4 is to set boundaries. Healing requires protecting your energy. And this might mean that you need to redefine some of the relationships in your life. It might mean that you need to step away from some that are not serving you or not good for your well-being. And boundary work is big. We can help you with that. And step number 5 is just to practice self-compassion. And we do that with a mind-body connection. We'll do that in the meditation shortly. But in order to practice that self-compassion, we need to step out of blame. Because when we're blaming somebody else, when we're pointing that finger, we have 3 fingers pointing back at us. Now, that doesn't mean we are to blame, but by blaming somebody else, we are implicating ourselves. Because there's only 2 things that we can control, our thoughts and our actions, not anybody else. And so we step into that place of self-compassion by reconnecting with our body. And we do that with meditation. So let's dive into this meditation that is specifically designed to gently guide you into your body and release the tension that can be caused by betrayal and the anxiety thereof. And this meditation is designed to help you nurture yourself and lean into trust of self. So go ahead and gently close your eyes. Find yourself seated in a comfortable position, lifting the spine tall, relaxing the shoulders, and taking a big, deep breath. Just an audible sigh out the mouth. Focus on the natural rhythm of your brain. No need to change it. Just notice. What's the texture? What's the volume? the location, the sensation, the cadence, the rhythm. Feel the air as it moves in and out. Now expand this sensory awareness to your entire body. Start at the soles of your feet and slowly scan all the way up, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort or heaviness and breathing into those areas. Not trying to fix it or change it, just give it space to be. Allowing the breath to revitalize you and to relax you, to rejuvenate you and to heal you. And as you continue to breathe in, perhaps you want to imagine a beautiful golden white light filtering down through your crown, or maybe you're even inhaling it into your nose. You choose. Every breath, just allow this light to flow gently through your body, starting in your head. Maybe it's the crown of your head, maybe it's in your nose, filling your entire head, the back of your head, back of your neck, and filtering down into the front of your neck, bathing every cell as you continue to breathe in this white golden light, moving into your shoulders, your upper back, down into your chest. Allow this light to coat every cell. Breathe into the spaces and allow this light to seep down, covering your heart space, your lungs. Allowing this light to continue down into your rib cage, your belly. All your internal organs are bathed in this golden, white, scintillating light, allowing it to filter down into your GI tract, into all your reproductive organs, down into your buttocks, into your legs, knees, calves, all the way down into the soles of your feet, your toes. Now bring your attention to your beautiful heart and place your non-dominant hand over your heart space if that feels comfortable. Say to yourself, either in your head or out loud, I trust myself. I trust myself. I trust myself to heal. I trust myself to heal. I am safe in my own body. I am safe in my own body. I release what no longer serves me. I release what no longer serves me. Yes, that's right. You trust yourself. You trust yourself to heal. And you know that you're safe in your own body. Allow yourself to release what no longer serves you. Taking another deep breath all the way in, all the way up. And as you exhale, imagine just releasing the weight of betrayal, allowing it to dissolve into the ground. Taking another big, deep breath all the way to the top, fill the lungs completely, and then sip in just another little bit. Audible sigh out the mouth. Let that betrayal go and lean into self-love. One more on your own. Filling the lungs, perhaps holding at the top and then releasing anything that's not serving you. Remain with eyes closed. Maybe wiggling fingers and toes, maybe swallowing, maybe wiggling the shoulders a little bit, perhaps allowing the jaw to open and close. Feel into your body in this space. Maybe peeking one eye open just to see if you're ready to come back. If you ever come out of meditation and the world feels a little bit wonky still, just close your eyes again. Give yourself that extra 60 or 90 or 120 seconds that you might need. You are worth your time and energy. I truly hope that this meditation brought you some peace and allowed you to lean into trust in yourself. This is the beginning. Healing takes time. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're here to support you. Just reach out. From my heart to yours. Many, many blessings.